today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious German specialty. We call it Pflaumenmus, and in English it's called plum butter. And for this specialty, I'm using a special plum. It's called, in German, it's called Zwetschgen, or it is also known as Damson plum, Italian plum, or sugar plum. This recipe is super easy because I'm going to use my slow cooker, and on your part there is really not much work involved except of cleaning and washing and cutting the plums, and all the hard work is being done by your slow cooker. Welcome to Sweetest Cooking. My name is Anke and I'm so glad to see you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my cooking channel. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. Now I love the consistency of our Pflaumenmus or plum butter. It's really thick and has got this beautiful slight taste of cinnamon, and it's not too sweet. Now I'm gonna put a generous amount of Pflaumenmus on my bun, and you know, it won't be a surprise, it will just taste amazing, but let's give it a go. You definitely have to try this recipe. It's just gorgeous. And to be quite honest, In my opinion, Pflaumenmus should be part of any breakfast table, especially German breakfast table. And speaking of breakfast, I invite you to check out my next video where I'm gonna show you how to make crusty German bread rolls. That could be the start of your next German breakfast table next to my Pflaumenmus or plum butter. I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.